diesel truck owners do stupid shit. You just have to rev and diesel truck owners are like, burn out! What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we're at the Rudy's here in Tomball for the Speed Advocates streetcar meet, I think is what it's called. There's a lot of really fast cars here. We met up with, we ran into the homie trying his Aventador, or one of his Aventadors, on the way over here. So let's take a look around the stuff that's here. We got a boosted C6, we got bag chargers, and we got classics galore over there. So let's take a look around. Let me know what your favorite car is in the comments down below. TX2K 21, 25% off at shopcarsacrosstexas.com, and let's get right to the action. It's Jimmy! It's the 1000 horsepower Lexus. We got a turbo WS6. Looks like it's been painted in Jetstream blue. This thing is clean. Jeez. And we got a matte blue Charger wide body, Charger Hellcat wide body, behind the Jetstream blue WS6. We got the McLaren 720S on the Vorsteiner wheels, looking damn good. I think this is the homie from North Texas. But then we got him next to the Rat Rod with the big old supercharger on it. I don't know why I said it so weird there. El Jefe. The old dually rolling out. We got the Cobra here. And then, this thing is sick. We have a supercharged Viper. In the rear, he's got some CCW classics wrapped in the Mickey Thompson. And the Paxton supercharger up there. I like 900.
Oh yeah, I like 900.
Looking damn good.
Talked to you last year with Brendan.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Sweet. I knew the car looked familiar.
Yeah.
Sorry, I battled faces. I know cars though. I got you. Oh my God. That thing sounds rowdy. The C3 Corvette, forest green. The T-top's off. He's enjoying the beautiful Texas 2K weather. You love to see it.
What's up, y'all?
How are you? Hello, friend. What is his name?
Cooper.
Hi, Cooper. What kind of dog is Cooper?
A corgi.
A corgi?
Yeah.
Hello, Cooper, my friend. This is my best friend. Nobody talk to me. I have Cooper now. I spy with my little eye a fender exit. And we got the homie Ali's purple Nissan GTR. That is indeed a very sick C5 seat. The 1000+ horsepower C7 Stinger rolling out. See, dude. So we got the Aventador here that we were doing a little stuff over there. We got the man Try here. He built the body kits for him. It's looking damn good. Next to the other orange car, the twin turbo 427 powered classic Camaro. And then another orange car in the C6 ZR1. God damn, the orange squad is out here in numbers today. This makes me need to have an orange car in my life. You just have three very different, equally quick orange cars. We get the Boss 302 Laguna Seca. Te gusta?
I like it.
I think it's kind of cool.
I like the freaking...
So he's very, very race card out. This man looks like he likes to autocross. I mean, that's kind of what you get. What's up, dude? How are you? Doing good, man. Doing good. Roll cage in the back. Sparkle racing seats, 4-point harnesses. This looks like a fun little track demon. So we got the short bed conversion GMC looking good out here next to the Inferno Orange C6 ZR1. Something over there sounding extra crazy. Do I want to go back that way or do I want to go over this way? I don't know. Yeah, the Rat Rod. El Jefe. It's so sick, but so unnecessary. I love it. We got an Aventador SV rolling in. What the hell? He's out here for the street racing. A new Aventador SV, paper plates. Nice. Te gusta? Yeah. So, orange regular Aventador or white SV?
White SV.
White SV. So we got the Z011 LE, the 427 with the Whipple on top. This color's pretty sick on the C6 base, next to the F-body Camaro, looking good in the dark blue. And then we got the very nice 991 Porsche GT3. I really like these wheels in this car. I very much like this. The Grabber Blue GT500. If I was gonna do a GT500, it'd have to either be Grabber Blue for the S197 or Ruby Red. Grabber Blue, of course, being number one. This color is so nice. So we got the homie Dame Jody in his wide body, fully wrapped Hellcat red eye. Check out this hood. Probably my favorite exterior modification of the car. The big clear glass roof showing off that big old red eye supercharger. The old green Camaro, right? With a healthy amount of turbo. Nice.
I don't know what I really ordered.
Nice little C7 Grand Sport rolling in. That Camaro over there sounded pretty good. This is looking pretty good.
We sold the Grand Sport.
Two-step in the turbo 5th gen. We got the cops out here. The cammed police car. Oh, the two-step. What's up, bro? We need Enzo to be too rough with them. Zeus Bronze C8. What a elegant looking spec. People hate Zeus Bronze. I like Zeus Bronze.
Really? Because I always something.
I hear with my little ear revving V12 Lambos. And I like revving V12 Lambos. He's got the Japan light. Like a light.
Well, the ground is really warm, that's why.
Oh, he got the Tesla screen in there. Pretty sick. And the boosted Mustang. We got the Viper race car. I guess I got to move out of his way. He's coming through no matter what. Got the Mustang here on the blue wheels, blue badges, looking pretty damn good. The APR splitter and everything, but he has like the biggest damn wing I think I've ever seen on a car ever. He's got the APR GTC wing, I think he said, and that's quite the dinner table. So super sick. During 2K, you get people from all over the US. We got the NOLA boys out here, the Mustang back here, and the GT500 here on the drag pack, looking good. The black on the red stripes is always a super sick look on these as well. So DSM boys, I see you in the comments every once in a while. We do have the very clean Eclipse here. This thing is looking good. 4G63 power, baby. DSM boys, I'm showing you some love. Don't worry, I got you. Damn son, sounding good.
Okay, man, I'll see you around.
See you later, dude. What's up, bro? the blue corgi here as well. We got double corgi trouble. You know I'm in heaven. Dogs across Texas.
The bearded dog.
That's
Yes,
the new Tanner right
I need
there,
it.
boys.
So I'm going to start Dogs Across Texas, and I'm going to sell the GTR. I'm going to sell the Z06, and I'm going to sell my existence off, and we're just going to get a bunch of dogs.
Get a dog farm, boys.
We're going.
Dog farm time.
I will.
Dude, you honestly, low-key, that should be a business. Dogs across Texas.
I will sell my soul for puppers.
Racing hood rat shit, okay? I know.
That thing is nice. The chrome gold wheels on the Hellcat.
Supercars and shit, okay?
Did the supercar just go to Mexico? I think they might have just gone to Mexico. Oh my God. I want to be like this guy when I grow up. Chin rolling through. So Mr. Rich Lambo guy over here revving the SV for the boys. LMR C7 Grand Sport. That thing is looking pretty damn good. So the homies at Sin City just wrapped their GTR up in this custom livery, Japanese inspired. They got the cherry blossoms on the hood, the dragon on the side, Mount Fiji, Godzilla. That's Godzilla. That's just a dragon. Oh, this is a dragon on the side.
Here's Godzilla.
The dragon on the side, Mount Fiji, and their nutrition brand right there.
Oh, Godzilla's on the other side. Sorry.
Big Wang, their brand there, Sin City as well. And then Godzilla over here.
I apologize.
So, I don't know if it's HPD coordinating against us. E85 is gone from pretty much every gas station that carries it in Houston. But luckily here at the Speed Advocates meet, we had the gas jockey truck out here with E85 for the boys. And what's it testing at right now?
I can test it for you.
Cool. Let's do it. E92, god damn. Jeez, we're E92 out here. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what your favorite car was in today's video down in the comments below. We're gonna head out. I think it's time for some Mexico action now, and some McDonald's nuggets for Allie. She's hungry.
Yeah.
So let me know what your favorite car was in today's video. ShopCarsAcrossTexas.com. If you go to TX2K 21 for the discount code at checkout, that's 25% off for this week. And I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.